les bousards, non!
The name's Wood. Woodpecker. Super spy. Hey, Winnie Penny.
000. You need to stop Le Bazard at all costs. He's heading to Tusk Island.
Yep, got it. Read the brief.
He's planning to sell the item he
thanks,
carries
man.
to the villainous gold
Oh,
tusk.
no! You're breaking up. Gotta go. Sorry. Later. Think she knows everything.
Still here.
Here, there, and always in my heart.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Woodpecker. Super spy. Tusk Island. Knew it.
Told you so.
I am not taking les visitors today, woodpecker.
And I'm not taking no for an answer, Le Bazard. Super spy. You're headed to lay dead end, Le Bazard.
Ah, but am I?
Now what am I gonna do?
Listen, if you had actually read the briefing, you would know that I installed a diamond-headed pecking drill in the Woody Sub's nose.
Honestly, I never got past page 1. Maybe you should zhuzh it up with some sound effects.
You want me to add sound effects to a printed-out dossier?
Gotta think big, Win. Woodpecker.
Woodpecker, you will never stop me.
Oh, yes, I will stop me. Wait, that didn't come out right.
So, how's it going?
I can't see when you're floating in front of my...
Oh, sweetie, are you okay?
Woodpecker never loses his cool, even when he's not cool. I am sensing much anger in you, Mr. Robot. Tell me, how does this anger make you feel? Angry, yes, I can imagine. Well, what you need is more iron in your diet. I am sure you'll feel much better. I will send you my bill.
Ooh la la!
It's Le Bazard. Oh, Mommy, look at all the pretty stars.
You should change your name to O Loser.
Oh, he's getting away.
Just use the grappling hook pen I put in your ear.
What do you mean you put it in my... Oh, yep, got it. I win!
You are too late, Woodpecker.
Gold Tusk. I knew I smelled something fishy in here.
Ah, my old nemesis 000.
Please, I'll just peck right through these. Unpeckable cables? You're diabolical.
I am not like other bad guys, Mr. Wood. I have a plan.
A dumb plan, no doubt.
You haven't even heard it yet. How can you say it's dumb? Anyway, my amazing and genius plan is as follows. This throne is actually a giant drill, which will burrow down into the soil below and eventually hollow out the earth. Then, my wondrous plan will be to flood the hollow space with the oceans, thus creating my own inside-out water world inside this planet, where I will be king!
So, your genius plan is to make the Earth into a giant water balloon? So dumb.
Oh, I think that greatly oversimplifies it. It's a solid plan. Everyone's excited about it, really. Lot of buzz.
And you're okay with this?
I do not care. I'm in this for the money.
All you did was sink Utopia Island.
I did not anticipate this outcome. Le Bizarre, I will pay you to swim me to shore.
I have no le pride, Tusk. Hop on.
Bad guys. Go figure. Woodpecker. Super spy.
And Winnie Penny.
That's not how it goes.
It should be how
You're
it
just
goes.
the girl on the screen. I'm the hero.